3D Earth Connections, the first and unique After Effects template and script to create connection lines between different locations on a realistic 3D world model. No pre-rendered elements. With 3D Earth Connections, you will be the one creating your animation from scratch. Type the name of the city, region, or state, or manually enter the coordinates of the points you want to connect and press the Add Point button to insert them in the map. Now you only have to select 2 points and the script will automatically create the connection line between them. Light up the areas you want to highlight and choose the color for each state. But there's much more than this. The project includes several labels for texts and descriptions that you can link to your points with a click. 3D Earth Connections also allows you to choose among 5 different world styles and many other customizable options. Animating your world will be just as easy. Choose the continuous mode to start a continuous rotation of the planet starting from a point, or the schedule mode to program the points to reach. Read the description below to discover all of the amazing features of 3D Earth Connections.